Hey, what's up you guys? How you doing? Today I'm going to be doing a very popular look. Quite a lot of you probably know this already, but I love it because it's so easy just to do evening before, and then when you wake up in the morning you have gorgeously nice hair which like beachy waves, and it's super easy and quick to do, and that's what I like. So first you begin by sectioning your hair, so just use one section of your hair that you're going to be braiding. My hair is not really thick and it's not really fine either. It's just, you know, like medium hair, and usually I do about 6 braids in my hair. So I'm just going to section this first braid off, about that big. I never kind of use anything, just, you know, section whatever size and braid it. Just make a normal braid that you usually would. Oh, one thing I forgot to say is that you need to wash your hair before this and just let it dry a little bit, not completely dry, just like tiny little bit. If you're gonna do it on completely wet hair, you're just gonna look like a poodle in the morning. That's a certain thing, I can assure you of that. So don't do that. And also don't make braids too tight, because if you do, they're also going to come up really textured, yeah. So just make them a bit looser than you would usually. I'm sure all of you know how to make a braid, so I don't need to really explain this one. So once you have done braiding one braid, you need to secure it. I usually just use some hair bands like these. If you have anything smaller, that's also really good. And just try and braid as close to the edge as you can, so that it looks nice, and then just secure it. I have quite big bands, so it's going to take a bit longer. So just keep on going. And if you get bored doing it yourself, just make someone else do it.
There you go.
Okay, thank you.
Don't ask me to do it again.
I'll try not to. Once you have done it all, that's it for the night, and you can go to sleep, and that's what I'm going to be doing now. Luckily for you, you won't have to wait till morning to see the result. Good night.